Hello everyone. Uh, as you know that right now in India, the service industry are growing very fast, and most of the professional from UK, USA, they are outsourcing their work in uh, USA accounting, taxation, UK accounting and taxation. So my name is Niyaz. I have a total 4 years of experience in accounting and tax. Here you get a content regarding how to apply for the enrollment agent. If you want to boost your career in US taxation, you must have a enrollment agent certification. And I'll upload a video regarding how to apply for PTIN and each and every process for the enrollment agent. Along with that, I will upload some MCQ for part 1, part 2, part 3, as well as some important concept which is very much important and for your enrollment agent exam and your practical life when you are going to prepare return. And we are also planning for some practical training on 1040 and corporate. And along with that, we will also provide you the training for the QBO. QBO is a accounting software which is majorly used in USA. So we will give you the practical training of both. And right now we are planning for the MCQ, and in future we are planning for the practical training. So if you are interested, if you want to boost your career in US accounting and taxation, make sure to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and also I'll attach my contact detail in a description, so that you, if you have any query regarding enrollment agent, you just need to ping a message on WhatsApp, and I'll try to solve that. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.